Guys, car manufacturers are just making car guys laugh. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'm Eddie V, and today we're talking about how Lexus has done the most dumbest thing ever. Fake transmission shifts in an electric vehicle. First, take a look at their electric concept cars and electric cars currently. Okay guys, so I'm going to have the Motor Trend link in the description below for you to read the full story, but basically it's a fake manual transmission. So basically guys, you have to shift at a certain gear, you have to shift at a certain speed, and if you don't shift, the electric car will stall out on you, like on a manual car. Now here's where I'll find the problem. First of all, it's an electric car. Electric cars, as far as I know, have only three gears. Reverse, they have low gear and a high gear, and if you want to count the fourth gear, neutral. That's as far as I know based on my knowledge how many gears electric cars have. But why would you put a fake manual transmission in an electric car just for it, if you mess up, for you to stall out an electric car that's supposed to be automatic to begin with? And it's all fake. So basically the computer, if you mess up while driving in manual mode, will literally stall the car out in front of everyone while you're driving if you mess up on something that's actually automatic and not manual. I've talked to a few car guys. They're like, this is childish. We need real stuff, not fake stuff. So if they ever do make a real manual transmission electric vehicle, that'd be great. But just to do these fake things, and then if the computer messes up and you did everything right and you still embarrass yourself in front of other people by stalling out an electric car, not a gasoline powered car, that's just laughable. So I don't know what Lexus is trying to do. They have very good quality cars, but for them to come up with this feature right now, car enthusiasts are actually going away from it. They do not want anything to do with an electric vehicle that has a fake manual transmission. Guys, what are your thoughts about this fake manual transmission that will become upcoming in the new Lexus electric vehicles coming to the USA? Comment down below. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie V. 2004 turn right. Drive an attempt on the 6 Series.